Hey, healthy bestie, it's Cecily. I'm back with some more natural fibroid elimination and healthy tips for you. Today, I'm sharing with you my latest and greatest green juice recipe. If you're a green juice goddess like me, run, don't walk, and grab these ingredients and get it popping. Matter of fact, by the time you watch this video, all of the green juice in this video has already been consumed, and I'm moving on to the next recipe, which I will share with you. So let's get into what we have here, right? We've got some purple stem dandelion root. We have cilantro. Dandelion root promotes healthy liver function. It's detoxifying in nature, helps to regulate hormones and facilitate the removal of toxins from the body. Now we have the cilantro, which is a natural chelator. And this basically means it's going to help to remove toxins, particularly heavy metals, from the bloodstream. Very powerful, simple, and easy way to target that. I also have some green Granny Smith apples that is going to help the palatability and the flavor, but of course we already know an apple a day. We know what that does, right? Keep the doctor away. We have some fresh ginger, which is wonderful for healthy circulation. As we move further into the winter months, ginger is an easy way to boost your immunity. Ginger also helps with pain and chronic pain issues that you may have. It's also a natural weight loss supporter. Ginger is great for healthy bowel function, wonderful for supporting your digestion. Gigi knows all about that. She's ready for her juice. She really does like green juice. I'm not even kidding. Okay, so this is what the finished product looks like. Now, like I said, I forgot that I had cucumbers that I had to add, so I ended up adding more separate jars and kind of mixing and matching some of the flavors. My goal at first, because this was pretty late at night, was to just juice everything all together. And it actually was really delicious doing that. But when I realized I had a whole thing of cucumbers singled out, I decided to mix some of the other juices in with that, and then I found some more herbs and spices to mix into the cucumber juice as well. For the most part, everything is a wonderful, delicious, well-balanced mix. I highly recommend if you want to just throw it all in your juice recipe together, I think you will be pleased. Of course, there's so many more benefits that I could mention in this one video. Juicing in itself is anti-inflammatory, which also cuts off another underlying cause of uterine fibroids. Here I'm just showing you another way that I turbocharge my juice recipes. I'm adding a couple dashes of cayenne. This is great to improve cardiovascular health and healthy circulation. This was a nice kick to this flavor of this juice recipe. And then I also will add a couple of splashes of fresh lime juice sometimes. Anything to really make the recipe pop for the flavor profile that I'm going for in the moment. But this was a good amount. The juice really energizes me. The cayenne also helps to energize me as well. It's great for a pre-workout. Now, speaking of pre-workout, I am adding 2 tablespoons of my Green Goddess Fibroid Detox Smoothie powder to this serving of the green juice recipe. And after this, I went ahead and went to the gym. So yes, I added greens upon greens to my green juice recipe, and I recommend that you do too. Go to my website, pick it up for yourself. You can grab the Green Goddess Fibroid Detox Smoothie Powder solo, or get it with the bundle with my best-selling By Fibroids tea. Did you know I made sea moss optimized to help you shrink fibroids, but also great for the whole family? All available over on my website. Calling all healthy besties. This is your chance to cleanse with me on a 2-week Fibroid Freedom Optimized journey in January. Join me for my January Fibroid Detox Jumpstart, where I walk you through a guided 2-week detox with my best practices that have helped myself and so many of my clients to shrink fibroids and maintain natural fibroid freedom. This is your chance to cleanse with me in a group format, which I don't always have open. So if this is something that you've been waiting for, as many of you have expressed to me, this is your chance to grab your ticket, take advantage of early bird pricing, and remember, you can bring a friend and both of y'all will get $50 off your ticket. Go to my website and click on the page that says January 2023 Detox and learn all about what we're going to be doing together in January. Let's go, healthy bestie. Thanks for watching.